Well, the way we think about it is there are a set of operating system components that you might want to have in the cloud. So there's compute cycles, storage cycles, workflow cycles, things like that. And so we have some core operating system-like components that we have in our cloud, the Azure platform services. And then on top of that, the best way I think about it is to abstract what kind of servers might you have behind your firewall if you were running your business. You'd have a directory server that would manage a directory for your email applications and your other use rights for storage servers or content servers like a SharePoint server or an Exchange server, et cetera. So wherever you have a server that you can think about, if you think about how an enterprise runs, there can be an attendant service in the cloud. So the directory service that we've put forth with our Azure services is one that will allow for the federation and syndication of directory services through OpenID. So we're using all open standards, interoperable technologies, developed and supported by the community and the standards bodies, et cetera. So what we're thinking about is wherever there is a server style type of computing, there can be an attendant service. And if you're a large enterprise, the question is how do you blend them to build a seamless experience? Or if you're a startup and you're attacking a mobile application or a PC user, how do you balance the compute cycle, the storage cycle, and then what kind of service and value add do you provide to that customer? So it's not as hard as it sounds, but some people get it all mixed up. Is it a grid? Is it a cloud? Is it storage? Is it just compute cycles? We think it's a whole attendant set of services and capabilities that you mix and match as relevant to your solution.
So where might the cloud go this year, if you will? It seems like it's a kind of a big trend for 2009. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think it's going to take a while in some respects. There have been many interesting things done. Amazon's done some pioneering work. We think we actually have a terrific position that we've staked out, leadership position around some of the things that I just described. With a broader set of services and identity rights and management issues and workflow, SharePoint services and things like that, and as well as Office coming available, as you pointed out, online through browser access, et cetera. So this calendar year will be instance proofs of that. We will be bringing out our business models that will allow people to make decisions, business decisions about what kinds of services they want to use in their solution. So we're in a period of what we call community technology preview, where lots of people are exploring our system and our cloud services, and then based upon their use pattern and their desires for business interaction, we will build the SLAs, the service level agreements and prioritization, and start to make those business offers available. So this is a year of exploration and then eventual business packaging, if you will.